So how can you add apps to the control center of the Apple Watch? Let's get started. So at first we need to make a distinction between the control center and the smart stack, because the control center is triggered by pressing the side button. It is here for the toggles like Wi-Fi and battery and stuff like that. But if you swipe up on the watch face, you'll get to the smart stack. And this is the collection of widgets and live activities. This can be managed, right? And it is designed for apps, whereas the control center is made for quick toggles, which are part of the controls of the Apple Watch. So what you need to do in order to manage these activities right here is to grab the iPhone, which is paired to your Apple Watch, and go to the watch application. In there, you can find the smart stack right there. It is somewhere at the top of the list, and you can enable the live activities, and then you need to make sure that the apps have the live activities ready, right? So obviously you also have some third-party apps, and essentially if you have something active going on, for example, you are waiting for an Uber or a food delivery, or as you can see, I have the weather here or the sound recognition. So this kind of stuff can be added right here, but only if it's like active, right? So you have some control over it right here, but it's not like you can add any app that you want right here. All of your apps are right here. When you unlock your watch, then you can access them right away. So it is actually all organized very nicely. The control center, triggered by the side button, has the important toggles. The smart stack has all of the live activities, and then the Apple Watch, when you unlock it, has all of the apps which you can get inside and use. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you like the video. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations, guides, and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.